Shane Watts here for another MXTV Enduro tip. Today, we've got a log crossing. This one's pretty nasty. Belly's gonna have a great one with this. Now, come up to any kind of log, you wanna try and approach it straight on at 90 degrees. You hit it at an angle, very easy for the wheels to wash out underneath you. With all logs, gotta pop the front wheel up, gotta get that wheel up. This one here, if you just run into it, there's only one thing going over the log, and that's you, not the bike. So, come up and you do several different types of wheelies. If you're very intimidated and scared by this one, maybe that's how we'll start Belly off, and that is, come up and do the first wheelie, dead stop. Come up, stop about half a meter before it. All right, so we come up and stop, about half a meter before, get that little 125, pick the revs up a little bit, dump the clutch, and over we go. Place your feet up on top of the log if you need to for some support. Once you're up on top of the log, that's the easy part, away you go. You just gotta get that front wheel up, so easy. A lot of riders get freaked out by the log. They get scared of the log. Don't think about the log, think about your wheelie. Pop it up, that's all you gotta do. Once you're up on top, you can just seesaw over, give it a little push, away you go. If you're not gonna stop, if you're at that higher level, come up, keep the momentum, pop that front wheel up around about half a meter before again. Don't have too much speed, otherwise you've got a good chance of getting thrown over the hangers. All right, so it's best if you be in the standing position, but those stand-up wheelies are a little more difficult. Big thing is also, you don't really want to try and leave the throttle on, at least a lot, when you're going over the log once you've got the front wheel up, because it can make the rear suspension compress very aggressively, then rebound, and again, you get catapulted off the bike. So the higher level guys, they can leave the throttle on and launch themselves off, but they've got to have a really good understanding of the attitude and altitude of the bike so they don't get kicked up and do a big endo. So that's just with experience and practice, you start to learn that. But that's a high risk, low reward type of a situation. Better off, pop the front wheel up on top, ease your way over, cruise on down the rest of the trail, but don't nosedive into it.
And keep momentum
Keep
going.
the momentum. How's that, Belly?
Mate, scary at the start, I must say. It was a little bit intimidating because it is quite high. I don't normally do a lot of log crossings, only when I'm forced to, but watching you do it and then the technique and then getting it right, and that commit's the key, you know, and it was actually easier rolling than it was stopped, I thought.
Yeah, when you stop, you have more time to think about it, and you start thinking about the log and the consequences.
Yeah.
Just focus on the wheelie, pop in that clutch, get the front wheel up, you're good to go.
Dead right, mate. Focus on that wheelie. Once you're rolling a little bit and you just go, I've got to get over it, and then, yeah, you see, expert. I actually turned the bike around and went that way. How good was that?
Hero. 0 to hero in about that much time.
Went up the trail.